It's your boy Bino99 here today, and I'm just very excited, you know what I'm saying? I'm wearing my Unity shirt. Kind of reminds me of a Biggie Small t-shirt vibe. Kind of gives me a Biggie Small t-shirt vibe, really. And yeah, I just love this shirt to death. Came here to see me unbox this bad boy right here. As y'all can see with that holding my hand right now. Just unbox this and just open it, see what's inside of it really. Today I'm doing a triple header. I just got back reviewing my Sting Water Dunks, you know what I'm saying? But I'm very energetic today because this pair has been driving me nuts because I'm a humble person. But if you are gonna be disrespectful to the channel, enough talk about that. Y'all came here to see some unboxing. I'm gonna give y'all that. So let's get right to it. Alright, what we got here? What we got? Alright. Let's see what we got in here, man. What we got? Oh, okay, another Jordan 1 box. Alright. I kind of always have this feeling where I'm always gonna get like this, an Air Jordan 1 box. And it's just crazy because I think I'm starting to develop some spider senses, I ain't gonna lie. So let me open this out real quick. Alright, box looks good. Even though it looks beat up from being shipped over here, you know what I mean? Boxes are always like that. You'd be surprised some boxes do not look like this, but let me tell y'all, if y'all order something from either GOAT or StockX and they get beat up badly by packaging, that's on them, okay? That is on them. So, but the shoe won't be messed up. That's all we care about. But the boxing, however, if it comes messed up, just don't worry about it. Let it be, because we wear our shoes, not the box, okay? But let's see what we got in here, man. You know what I'm saying? We got an Air Jordan 1, classic Jordan 1 box. It kind of reminds me of the bread ones, but let's see what we got. What we got? Oh, man. Oh, man. They really surprised me with this one. The plug really surprised me with this one. That's crazy. They really surprised me. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So here we have the UNC Air Jordan 1s. Now talk about that light blue one, not the University Blues. This right here is the original one. And it's crazy because I never really thought of myself of getting this pair. The only person that I know that has this pair would have to be my boy from high school that has this. And let me tell y'all, he rocked this to the fittest he can rock this to. And for me having this now, it's like, I'm like, this is crazy because I feel like I'm dreaming. Like now I have this pair, it's just absolutely unreal. And kind of gives me that 1980s like University of North Carolina vibes. And it's just absolutely crazy. Like the color of the shoe is amazing. And if I had to take a guess, I think the shoe came out in 2017, 2018, probably like early of 2017 or probably after that. I could be wrong, but I'll make sure to put everything in the video so that way y'all won't get any misinformation from me. And so yeah, but other than that, this shoe's really amazing. Like I like the color, I like how the laces look, I like how it's set up really, and they have that hourglass shape as y'all can see. Even though it doesn't look like it, but trust me, it has hourglass shape. And yeah, it's really a dope color. Like I like blue Jordans, not like royal blues, game blues, or fragment blues, but this type of blue right here, man, is absolutely wonderful. I love it. It's really good. Look at that tumble leather. Like this tumble leather is just absolutely amazing. Like even if you poke it, it still comes back up to normal. Even the front side as well too. It's still amazing. Let me try it out. Yeah. Let me move it closer. Absolutely amazing. Dude, really, like I just really like this shoe. It's really good. I like it a lot, actually. I like this a lot. Even though it's an old shoe, but I still like old Jordans. That kind of give me more of a throwback vibe. The other pair, I love both of them. The heel looks great. If If you ask me, the heel looks great. Stitching is on point, and the Nike swoosh is on point as well too. Even the Air Jordan 1 symbol is on point as well. I just love this shoe. This shoe is amazing. And Jordan 1s is the most iconic shoe that anybody can wear. They go with everything. They're lifestyle basketball shoe. You can literally wear this shoe with everything, and it's just awesome. It's an awesome pair to wear, really. A lot of people have multiple pairs in their collection. It's crazy too how they have the same Jordan, but in every different color. Just like me. It looks like I'm starting to become one of them. But now, let's look at this under the black light, okay? Real quick, just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, good. And we're gonna use this and look what's inside of it. Well, look what's on here. So as y'all can see, I don't see any markings on this shoe except for like little pockets of glue. Which is okay. Little splashes of glue paint. And it's on point. It's just little splashes of glue all over the shoe. All over the shoe, which is normal for a pair to have. And this shoe looks really on point. Oh, I see something here. But it's all good though. So it doesn't really matter. But the shoe itself is amazing. Everything looks good. Good shoe. Awesome colors. Very comfortable. Looks comfortable. I mean, when I say by very comfortable, I mean other people wore them, they tell me they're comfortable. I haven't worn them, so I don't know if they're comfortable or not, really. Depending on the size of the shoe itself. Even though it's a size 11, but still. Sometimes shoes can hurt your feet, but we have to take our chances up. So, but other than that, man, what y'all think of these? Do y'all think these are a good shoe? What y'all think? I mean, if y'all have them in your collection, let me know. Like, I wouldn't mind to have any opinions about the shoe. Other than that, this Jordan 1 is really amazing, and can't wait to rock them everywhere I go, really. Just can't wait to rock them in general, you know what I'm saying? But, so, yeah. We talked about the shoe. We showed y'all under the black light, and now we are about to get into this on-foot review. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share with this video with your friends and family. I like sneakers. I like sneakers. You probably like sneakers or want to get more into sneakers, really. So just share them, really. Just share them, honestly, and see what, and then just chop it up with me, really, because I'm always available on my IG. My IG is Bino_1999EST. So make sure to hit me up for any questions, anything particular, and I'll possibly help you. Now, we're gonna get to this on-foot review. Let's go.